this video, we will show you how to change the blower motor on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the passenger door to give you easier access to the blower motor located under the glove box. Using a fork, remove the 2 rivets holding the textile cover. Then take off the cover. Disconnect the light bulb electrical connector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. You can use a hook. Remove the textile cover. You can now see the blower motor. Disconnect the blower motor electrical connector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Using a ratchet and extender and a Torx T20 bit, unscrew the 3 screws holding the blower motor. Then rotate the blower motor to remove it. You can order the blower motor assembly used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new blower motor assembly, then put it back in place. Screw the 3 holding screws back in. Plug the blower motor electrical connector back in. Plug the light bulb electrical connector back in. Put the textile cover back on. Then put the 2 rivets back in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.